Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Jura Empresa F7. And let's go ahead and make a test shot. Alright, it's one. I'm going to make one more. And then this is after making about 6 shots of espresso. You do get a little bit of grounds, but not really much at all. There's nothing I can really do about that. And you can see there's no leaks. It hasn't been dripping at all. So, working well. So thank you for being with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.